In tough working environments, the right seat can make all the difference. Meet the Mahindra Sliding Seat by Jain'm Seats. Built to deliver comfort, strength, and adjustability for heavy-duty performance. Designed for use in forklifts, construction machinery, loaders, and utility vehicles, it features premium cushioning that supports long working hours without compromising posture or focus. Covered in high-grade rexine, the seat resists dirt, grease, and wear. Perfect for industrial and off-road environments. A manual weight adjustment knob allows for custom support based on the driver's body weight, improving comfort and reducing fatigue. Equipped with sliding functionality, the seat adjusts forward and backward to help operators find the ideal driving position quickly and easily. The seat also features an integrated suspension system, which helps absorb shocks and vibrations from rough terrain or uneven surfaces. And with a heavy-duty build, the Mahindra Sliding Seat is made to last, even in high-impact, high-demand industrial applications. The Mahindra Sliding Seat, engineered to keep you going no matter how tough the job. Jain'm Seats, built for comfort, made for performance. For more updates, subscribe to our channel and visit jainmagro.in to explore our full range of heavy-duty seating solutions.